series. This is Deepak Sharma from Techies vlog. So guys, in the last video we have learned what is the nested routing and what is dynamic routing. Now guys, in this series, in this video we are going to learn what is nested dynamic routing. In the last video we have created a post, and after the post dynamic slug file for getting the detail of post. Now we need to create a get after this comment and comment one. So how can I achieve this? We need to create a slug folder. We are going to under post section create a slug folder under the square bracket. Under this folder we need to create another folder comment. Under the comment folder we need to create another file with the square bracket. Under this file we have copied the all code of our post detail. Now here we get slug and PID both by use router query. So guys, our post is slug and comment ID P. Now change this. Now if we enter, we got post slug and comment one. If we change here, hello world and comment 2. Now got post hello world and comment 2. So guys, I hope you understand what is the nested dynamic routing. So guys, thank you so much.